Sobrang thank you kay K1 for sobrang ganda and sobrang hassle-free na event. As you can see all around, later on papakita nila kung gaano kaganda yung na-prepare nila for us. And then all the way from start until to finish now, we wrap up this, everybody enjoyed and everybody was very happy and was stunned on the designs that they made for us. And we didn't expect as much as this, but they gave us more than our expectations on this very, very special day of ours.
Yes. Thank you kay Miss Joy, Sir Delmar, Ma'am Mira, and then also the owner na ginagamit pa kami nung bagong games. So sobrang thankful kami at least na-pioneer namin yung games, and also very hassle-free talaga yung yung for the organizing the event from the start until the end. Ayun, thank you K1.
Thank you so much, K1.
Thank you so much.